Welcome all of you once again to another section of our course. Today we will be discussing on how you can change some sections which we've been able to do in our last um, lessons. So today again we will be continue from it, I think. And then how are we going to go about it? I still remain Emmanuel taking you for this course. Now, want to change this picture. Yeah, that is what we're going to do today. How you can change images in your website. How you can change image in your website. That is what we are going to change today. Now, for us to change this image, what are we going to do and where are we going to go? Now, to change this image, you see that whenever I touch anything here, it aligns it. There's something like box rounding it and there's a pencil at the upper edge. Now, what controls this arrow section is from this purple, this line here, down to the ending of down to this place. That is what controls it. So, if I want to remove this image entirely, I will click this 6 dotted line where they wrote edit section. I will click it. I will click on edit section. Something will pop up here. Now, when it pop up here, then I will go to style. Understand now, when I go to style, it is the image that I want to change. It is the image that I want to change. Now, I will click the image. Then whenever I click the image, it will take me to where I will look for the image I want to use in replacing the former image. Now, this is action I want to take. There are two actions here that it is required. Either I bring in image that is in my I bring in image either from my folder or from the media library, or I bring the image I copy the URL of the image I need and I bring it here. That means I don't have to put the image here again. If I'm going for the two options, I will go to the link, the site, I will copy the URL and I will place it where is required to be placed and the image will appear. Now, let me use the first one, which is media, insert media. This one, which is the first one, is telling me whenever I click on upload files, I will click on the files. It will take me back down to my folder where I will select what I want to select. Now let me see. You see now, this is where it brought me. But because the images I want to use, I've not downloaded it. I will not be using anyone because anyone I click here, it is what? It is going to come up. So, even I want anyone and I'll just click it like this and I'll click open and it will be added. So, I will go for the second one, media library. It is expected that we have so many images here. So, I will use anyone here to replace the existing one. I will come here and look for any good ones that I can use. Any good one that I can use. Okay. Then let me choose this one. You see? And I'll select. Automatically, it will be replaced by this one. So that is how we do it. That is how I will change any image that we needed to come up on our site. If you don't need it, maybe you need more than one images. You need more than one images. I think you can use a slider, which is this one. You can use slider here, which is this one. Let's go. Now, what do we mean by that? You just go there and click. When you click it, to tell you select as many images as you want. You click. When you click, it will take you to your image. Now, you can put as many pictures as you want. Maybe you choose this. You choose this. This is number 2. You choose this as number 3. Now we have 3 images here. You come to this place here. Create new gallery. You click it. Now when you click it, it has created a gallery. Then you come again and click insert the gallery. Automatic, it will be inserted. Now we'll be having more than 1 images on this background hero section. So that is how you can add images to anything as far as you are using WordPress editing. So see that the image, it slides, it goes here, it comes back again, it goes and comes again. This is how you do it. Now, if I want to add video, maybe I don't need image, I need a video that will be displaying. Now, you go to the 3rd one, which is background type. You come to the 3rd one here. You click on it. You click on it, video. Now, only what is needed of you is to what? Is to bring in the link of the video. Then what will I do? I will go and get any video. If you have any channel, you can get your video, fine. But let me go and get my video from YouTube and bring it here. I'll come here and search YouTube, and then I'll go to YouTube video where I will select my videos. Now when I get here, any video I want, I will just do what? I will just click it. Let me just type sport. See? This one is great, right? No? Let me look for the ones that are still okay. Let me give it the right letter. Let me say gym. Alright. I will just come here and I will click this one.
My work is easy because I...
Now when I get here, if I want to bring in a URL, I've clicked the video I want. I will come down a bit. Just come down a bit. Don't be too fast. Come down a bit and click this place, the road share. When you click it, you now come here and click this link here that you are seeing here, and you copy it. Copy all. When you copy all, you have done with this place. Go back to your site where you are editing. Come and paste the link where they wrote video link. This place they wrote video link. Paste the link there. That is just when you paste the link there, automatically the video will do what? Will pop up. The video will pop up. So that is what here is all about. You see now, the video has what? The video has popped up here. That is it. So this is how you can add background colors, slideshow, and videos to your backgrounds whenever you feel like anyone you want to put. If you need um a color, the color is here, gradient color. If you need just a single color, the same way. If you don't want pictures, you don't want videos, you want a single color, the same thing, you put it here. So this is how we add background images, background colors, background videos to any backgrounds we want to add. So that is that for now. You know, whenever you are now doing the settings, you now begin to do the settings to your own taste. Like they say, the starting time 10 seconds, ending time 70 seconds. It's left for you. Play once, fine. So this is how you do all these settings. So that is where we are going to stop for today.